Imagine a car that's more than a car. A vehicle owned by tens of millions, sold in over 150 countries and trusted across generations. That is the Toyota Corolla, the world's best-selling car of all time with over 50 million units sold globally since 1966, outpacing icons like the Volkswagen Beetle and even the Ford F-Series in cumulative sales. From crowded city streets in Tokyo to rural roads in South America and suburban America, the Corolla has proven one thing: dependability, practicality, and value are universal needs. Today, we're exploring why this unassuming compact car has become a global favorite, and what makes it just as relevant in 2026 as it was decades ago. Part 1. The Lifelong Legacy. The Corolla story began in 1966, when Toyota aimed to deliver a compact, affordable, and reliable car for everyday people. Since then, it has maintained a steady presence in the automotive world for nearly 6 decades. In automotive history, the Corolla reached 1 million units sold within just a few years after launch. By the late 1980s, it had sold 10 million units globally. Today, with over 50 million units, it stands unmatched in lifetime production. While other cars may top annual sales charts, such as SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 or EVs like the Tesla Model Y, the Corolla's claim to fame is its cumulative dominance over decades, not just fleeting headlines. Part 2. Specifications that matter. Let's talk about the 2025/2026 Toyota Corolla, the most recent generation most consumers are experiencing today. Engine and performance engine options. Typically a 1.8 to 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with modern CVT transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and efficiency. Fuel economy. Around 35 miles per gallon combined for gasoline models. Excellent for daily commuting. Safety features. Toyota equips even base models with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision braking system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic high beams. These tech features, once premium, are now standard, reflecting Toyota's commitment to real-world safety. Comfort and convenience interior. Modern touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Seating. Comfortable for 5 adults with generous cargo capacity for its class. Warranty and reliability. High reliability ratings, e.g. 4.5 out of 5 by RepairPal. Hybrid powertrain hybrid variants now make up a significant portion of Corolla sales, offering up to 50 miles per gallon combined in real-world conditions. A huge advantage as fuel prices and emission standards rise. Part 3. Why it's so good. So what makes the Corolla truly exceptional? Let's break down the main reasons people around the world keep choosing it. 1. Legendary reliability. The Corolla consistently ranks near the top of major reliability studies year after year. Owners report very low maintenance costs, vehicles often lasting well over 200,000 miles with basic care. This reputation has become part of its identity. In many countries, owning a Corolla is synonymous with peace of mind.
2. Affordability and cost efficiency. Typically priced below many competitors in its class, average ownership costs significantly lower than segment peers. High resale value compared to other compact cars. Drivers often see it not just as transportation, but as a long-term investment. 3. Global reach and adaptability. Unlike vehicles tailored only for specific markets, the Corolla is truly global. Toyota produces it in multiple countries, customizing features, from city-optimized trims in Europe to rugged durability in Asia and Africa. This adaptability means the Corolla fits almost any lifestyle or environment. Part 4. Continual evolution. The Corolla's success isn't accidental. It has evolved with changing times. 12 generations and counting. The Corolla has gone through 12 major generational redesigns, each refining efficiency, design, performance, and tech, while staying true to its roots. Embracing electrification. While the Corolla started as a simple petrol car, modern versions include hybrid powertrains, reflecting Toyota's approach to efficiency without expensive infrastructure demands. Future prospects. Early glimpses of future models hint at more bold designs and possible electric variants, suggesting Corolla might keep adapting even as markets shift, including toward electrification and smart tech. Part 5. Real people, real views.